Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best marble accessories is probably one of the most elegant ways to elevate your kitchen's aesthetic. From sleek soap dispensers to stylish utensil holders, marble accessories bring a touch of luxury and sophistication to any countertop. In this video, we'll explore some of the finest marble kitchen accessories available, helping you transform your cooking space into a stylish haven. Number 5. ZCCZ Marble Soap Dispenser with Sponge and Brush Holder. This ZCCZ dispenser combines a soap pump, sponge holder, and brush holder into one convenient unit. It keeps everything you need for dishwashing right at your fingertips. This makes cleaning up a breeze. The nozzle is made from solid material and coated with chrome. It's built to last and won't leak. You can rely on it for consistent performance. The sponge holder has drain holes to prevent water buildup. A detachable tray makes it easy to clean. You won't have to worry about a messy countertop. Made from high-quality resin, this dispenser is built to last. It's not made of brittle plastic. The marble design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen or bathroom. ZCCZ offers an 18-month warranty and a 45-day money-back guarantee. They also provide friendly customer service. You can purchase with confidence. What we like? This soap dispenser is an all-in-one solution, keeping everything tidy. It features a durable nozzle that won't fail. If you're looking for a convenient and organized way to keep your sink area clean, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who value both functionality and aesthetics. What people say. Small size fits well in a tight space, i.e. apartment kitchen sink. Small drainage holes located on the bottom of the sponge and brush wells allow for any excess water to drain. It holds all the utensils and the detergent, which makes the kitchen look tidy. Number 4. ZCCZ 3-in-1 Soap Dispenser with Sponge Holder. This innovative product combines a dish soap dispenser, sponge holder, and brush holder. It keeps your space tidy and organized, whether in the bathroom or kitchen. It's a perfect blend of functionality and style. The soap bottle can be filled with various liquids, such as hand sanitizer or dish soap. This makes it versatile for use in the bathroom, kitchen, or near the sink. Its compact size is ideal for any countertop. Measuring 5.20 by 5.16 by 7.28 inches, it features rounded corners and smooth lines. The dispenser nozzle is made of durable zinc alloy, providing a metallic luster. The pump offers excellent suction for repeated use. Made of high-quality resin with a marble appearance, it's anti-rust and corrosion-resistant. The tray collects water and prevents it from dripping onto your countertop. It also has drainage holes for the sponge and brush sections. You'll receive the soap dispenser with a sponge and brush holder. It also comes with a 45-day money-back guarantee and an 18-month warranty. Customer service is available 24/7. It makes a great gift. What we like? This soap dispenser offers a 3-in-1 design, integrating a dispenser, sponge holder, and brush holder. The removable tray makes cleaning easy. If you want a stylish and practical addition to your kitchen or bathroom, consider this. It's ideal for those who appreciate both design and ease of use. What people say. The marble is beautiful and the set is very well made. The soap dispenser works great and doesn't drip. The toothbrush holder is a good size and holds multiple toothbrushes. Number 3. Marble phone stand, elegant, versatile holder. This phone stand is perfect for any setting. You can use it in your bathroom, kitchen, or even on your bedside table. It's designed to hold your phone securely while you do other things. This stand is ideal for various locations. Whether it's your living room, bedroom, study, or kitchen, it provides a convenient spot for your phone. It's also great for when you're out and about. Enjoy comfortable viewing angles with this stand. It supports both horizontal and vertical phone orientations. This makes it perfect for watching videos, browsing, or typing. This stand features a unique sound amplification function. It enhances the volume and clarity of your calls, music, and podcasts. It makes the audio experience much better. This simple phone holder is easy to set up and stylish. It's lightweight and perfect for students and teachers for online learning. It's a great addition to any desk. What we like? This phone stand is versatile, suitable for various locations. It offers an ergonomic viewing angle for comfortable use. If you like to amplify your audio while watching videos or taking calls, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a stylish and functional phone holder. What people say. It is super snazzy looking and has some good weight to it, so it shouldn't topple over when holding devices. When sitting in portrait style, the notch lets the sound travel through so it's not muffled. Heavy. Pretty. Several uses. Number 2. Zulay Kitchen 17-inch Marble Rolling Pin. Introducing the Zulay Kitchen Marble Rolling Pin. This heavy-duty pin rolls out dough evenly with minimal effort, thanks to its smooth surface and 360 degrees bearings. It's perfect for all your baking needs. Crafted from 100% polished marble, this rolling pin is built to last. The natural marble provides a sleek look and won't crack or deform like wooden alternatives. This makes it a durable addition to your kitchen. The rolling pin features an ergonomic beechwood handle for a comfortable grip. It also includes a wooden base for easy storage and to prevent it from rolling away. This design makes it easy to use. This rolling pin is naturally non-stick, requiring less flour while rolling. It doesn't absorb fats, moisture, or odors, and is easy to clean with a damp cloth. This makes it a great tool for baking. Perfect for various doughs, from bread to cookies. It's also a thoughtful gift for any baker. This rolling pin will elevate your baking experience. What we like. This rolling pin makes rolling dough easy, thanks to its heavy marble construction. It's crafted from high-quality marble, ensuring durability. If you're looking for a rolling pin that enhances your baking experience, this is the one. It's ideal for those who enjoy baking and want a reliable tool. What people say. The weight is perfect, heavy enough to roll dough smoothly without much effort, but still easy to handle. The weight of the tool does the work, and only a light touch is needed to direct the tool for rolling. Dough does not stick to the very smooth and very well-made roller. Number 1. OPUX Marble Gray Anti-Fatigue Mat. This is the OPUX Anti-Fatigue Mat. It's designed to provide all-day comfort and support. The mat helps to reduce fatigue and alleviate joint and back pain. The mat features a reversible design with different patterns. You can easily switch between styles to match your kitchen or office decor. It's like having 2 mats in one. Made with 12 mm thick cushion PVC, this mat offers ultimate comfort. It's perfect for standing for long periods, whether at your desk or in the kitchen. The ergonomic design provides excellent foot support. This mat is suitable for various surfaces, including wood, carpet, and concrete. It's ideal for workstations, standing desks, and home decoration. It's also a great gift for family or colleagues. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly PVC, the mat is built to last. It's water-resistant and easy to clean, protecting your floors from spills and stains. This ensures it will last for a long time. What we like. This kitchen mat provides anti-fatigue support, perfect for long periods of standing. It features a reversible design, allowing you to switch styles. If you are looking for a comfortable and stylish mat for your kitchen or office, you should consider this. It's ideal for those who prioritize comfort and style. What people say. The marble is beautiful and the set is very well made. The marble is a nice weight and looks great on the counter. The pieces are sturdy and the design is sleek. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.